Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use if function in Excel. If function is used in Excel to describe logical tests greater than, less than and etc. For example, we have taken data here. Here are the name of different students and here is the marks obtained. So we will set a criteria that anyone who is below 50 marks will be fail, and if the students have got more than 50 marks they will be declared as pass. So we will apply this test here. So click here and start the formula by equal and then if. Start the parenthesis and we will select D4. If D4 is greater than 50, then we will show what will be the result or what the Excel will show us, that is equal to pass, and we will close this by and comma, and if this is not true or if this is false, then what will Excel show? That is fail. And again put double quotation and close the bracket and enter. It's pass, and then drag this formula to remaining cells, and here you can see where the numbers are below 50, that is 23, and here 35, it has shown the fail, and where the numbers are more than 50, the Excel has shown the result as pass. So this is how you can use if function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.